The Toyota Corolla KE70 is one of those classic cars that has earned a special place in automotive history. Simple, reliable, lightweight, and easy to maintain, the KE70 became a favorite among enthusiasts across Asia and many other parts of the world. Even today, its boxy design and old-school character continue to attract classic car fans. Classic design. The KE70 features a clean, square-shaped body that represents the golden era of Japanese cars. Its simple headlights, straight body lines, chrome details, and compact proportions give it a timeless look. Unlike modern cars filled with complicated styling, the KE70 has a straightforward design that feels authentic and unmistakably classic. Engine and driving. Depending on the market and version, the Corolla KE70 was offered with several small petrol engines, including Toyota's well-known 4K series engines. These engines were not designed for extreme performance, but their simplicity and durability made them extremely popular. The lightweight body also gives the KE70 a fun and responsive driving character. Reliability and maintenance. One of the biggest reasons for the KE70's legendary reputation is reliability. Its mechanical design is relatively simple, making maintenance easier compared with many modern vehicles. Spare parts and mechanical knowledge are also widely available in many markets, which helps keep these classics on the road. Why enthusiasts still love it. Today, the KE70 is more than just an old Corolla. It has become a popular platform for restoration, customization, drifting, and classic car projects. Some owners keep their cars completely original, while others install performance engines, upgraded suspension, wheels, and modern interiors. Final verdict. The Toyota Corolla KE70 proves that a car doesn't need complicated technology to become legendary. Its simple design, dependable mechanics, lightweight construction, and huge enthusiast community have kept its spirit alive for decades. If you love classic Japanese cars, the KE70 remains a true icon and one that deserves to be remembered.